Hi, today we're gonna open these DIY packages. I'm so excited. Let's open them. I'm not gonna open all of them. I'm just gonna choose like 3 or like 4. So let's choose. First, I'm gonna go with this one and this one and this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one first. This is Samsung Series 1. Let's open. So I have to use my one hand. It will be hard for me. So let me just open and come back. Okay, here we go. I opened it and we have this cutie. This is Duck. And okay, here. Okay. This is our catalog and we got Common. Okay. Like this. I don't know what is his name, but he's a duck and it's kind of squishy. Now I'm gonna go with Juice Takiraki. I can't fit my camera. Okay, here we go. Let's just open like this. Okay. Okay. So we have a purple yellow packet. Okay, so let's just this. We got the same as the packet. It's squishy. It's good. It's squishy though. Okay, now this, I love how it looks, so I saved for last. Let's open. I don't have catalog because it was hard to draw all of the characters. So I just, yeah, okay. We have Duck again. This is also squishy. It's not, I did this packet, like, it's been 1 year. And yeah, that's why it's like so bad. Like I didn't like the look, but it's okay. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.